This is an example from your textbook of solving a reducing balance loan problem using the finance solver. So the first thing we're going to do is go through the question and identify the information that you've been given. Andrew borrows $20,000 at an interest rate of 7.25% per annum, compounded monthly. The loan will be repaid over 4 years with payments of $481.25 each month. So, part A of the question. How much, correct to the nearest cent, does Andrew owe after 3 years? Here is where we're going to use our finance solver. The first thing we're going to look at is the number of repayments Andrew needs to make. That is N. He's making monthly repayments. There are 12 months in a year. We're asked over 3 years. So you could do the calculation yourself and say 3 years times 12 months a year is 36, and that is the number I have typed in on the finance solver. The other way to do it was simply type 3 times 12 in that spot and it would change it to 36. Next thing we're asked for is the annual interest rate. The annual interest rate we're given is 7.25%. So you can see where I've typed in the 7.25%. Now this is where you have to be careful. Andrew has borrowed the money, so Andrew has the money. He has it in his pocket. So this will be a positive number. So the present value, how much does Andrew have? $20,000. That is the $20,000 he borrowed. The bank gave it to him, so he has it in his pocket, so it is positive. Now, the next thing we have is the regular payment. The regular payment is of $481.25. So Andrew gives that money to the bank. The bank has that, so it is negative $481.25. We're wanting to know what he will owe 3 years in the future. So future value is what we're trying to find out. He is doing this compounding monthly, so PPY and CPY are 12. So move into the FV, press the enter key. You'll see it has given you a number there. That number obviously goes to many decimal places. So it is $5,554.36 that he owes after 3 years. For part B of the question, it asks us, what is his final payment going to be? So here, we need to be a little bit careful. We've put in a lot of details into our calculator. So there's going to be only a couple of numbers that we're going to have to adjust. Firstly, we know this is going to be paid out over 4 years. 4 years by 12 months a year is 48. So N will have to change to 48. The interest rate hasn't changed. The amount he borrowed hasn't changed. His repayments haven't changed. Now he has to have everything paid off after 4 years. The number of payments per month haven't changed. So it's future value we're going to have to work out. So we go to future value, we press enter, and what it has said to me is a number, which is not 0. 0.10792, etc. What it means is the bank is paid something and it becomes a negative number, but that is a positive. That is the amount that Andrew has been overcharged. It hasn't gone to zero, it's gone to 11 cents more than zero. So his final repayment should not be, notice that, should not be $481.25, because what it would mean is he would be paying 11 cents too much. So if we take 11 cents off of that, we would get $481.14. If we were asked the question to give a final payment and it became a negative number, then his final payment would be whatever his final payment is plus whatever the negative amount was